Welcome to this accoADE tutorial. During the next 1 minute, I will show you how to install accoADE add-in on your company's SharePoint site. This tutorial is demonstrated on a Microsoft SharePoint site by accoADE. On your site, go to Settings and click Add an app. In the search bar, type accoADE. There are both a light and a full version of accoADE. You can install the full version with a free trial period of 1 month. Click Trusted and go to your site contents. On the site contents, you can see the installed apps. Wait until accoADE is fully installed. Until then, it will be displayed as disabled. You can go to your site settings and change the view from listing to classic mode. After accoADE is fully installed, you will see the accoADE web app and its configurations file. Our tool is now ready to use. Let's start it. Now, I've shown you how to install accoADE on your SharePoint site. Thanks for watching.